Hello. I am going to show you liquid eyeliner and how to apply it without a wing and with a wing. Very simple. The benefits of liquid eyeliner is that it's going to be a lot bolder, more precise line on your top lashes. You don't really want to ever use liquid eyeliner on your bottom. It's just not what it's intended for. It'll also make your lashes at the base look fuller. So I'm going to speed this next part up and just show you on this eye liquid eyeliner without a wing, and then how to do just a really simple wing on this eye. This eye, this is just a very simple basic thin line. I did make a slight mistake, however this is the wing eye, so this will aid us in our wing. Excuse my crazy girls in the background. Also, this is a brown eyeliner. I thought it would be prettier and a little bit more subtle than my black. And so essentially use your bottom lash or your bottom like eyelid essentially as a guide, and you're going to want to draw a line straight up, okay, like that. And then at that point you're just going to want to connect it. And this is a type of makeup look that does take a little practice, and because I ended up touching this part, it's just going to be a more thicker, just a thicker wing essentially. But there you go, wing, eyeliner, and without. I'm going to obviously match it up today, but I wanted to just show you the difference. My lashes do look fuller, and you want to get as close to your lash line as possible. And now here's another tip. Don't feel like you have to draw a straight line all the way across. If you just inch, that's life. If you just inch along your lid, you will get as close to a straight line as possible. And makeup doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be fun. So that is my simple tip, with a little bonus of my 3-year-old being officially potty trained. Share for me in the comments below, and you guys have a great day.